This video is applicable to Autocar ACTT trucks equipped with an Autocar Advanced Telematics 3G module. ACTTs with the 3G SAM module may have a door decal. That decal is going to be in the sliding door frame. The module itself will also have a decal on it. Either one of these decals will identify the 3G SAM module because the serial number will start with number 84. ACTT trucks with SAM 3G modules were built between approximately March 2020 and May 2021. Due to the recent launch of newer cellular networks, telecoms all over the world are discontinuing their 3G networks. Autocar is providing upgraded 4G modules to affected truck owners at no charge. Installing your upgraded 4G module is quick and easy and should just take a few moments. To support this conversion, you will need the following tools: diagonal cutters, the 4G telematics unit, and a tie strap. Begin by completing the lockout tagout procedure. Inside the cab, locate the SAM 3G telematics module underneath the dash. Using the diagonal cutters, cut the tie strap and discard. Note orientation of the SAM 3G module. The SAM 3G module is mounted in a bracket under the dash. This bracket will be reused for installation of the 4G module. Using your hand, gently pry apart the bracket, releasing the 3G SAM module. Remove the 3G SAM module from the bracket. Disconnect the SAM 3G module connectors. Locate the new SAM 4G module. Remove the rubber band and set aside the SIM card. The SIM card should be kept for your records. Remove the bracket from the new 4G SAM module and discard the bracket. Keep the decal for the A-pillar installation later. Connect the previously removed connectors into the SAM 4G module. Remove lockout tagout. Turn the battery cutoff switch to the on position. Key on the truck. The green and red lights will initially blink at a high frequency. The lights will then blink at a slower rate, indicating cellular registration and GPS lock. If the truck does not have a clear view of the sky, the green GPS light may not switch to a slow frequency until the truck is moved. As long as both lights are on and the red light is blinking slowly, the module installation was successful. If either light does not blink or illuminate at all, contact Autocar Solutions for troubleshooting assistance. Install the new SAM 4G module in the same orientation noted from SAM 3G module removal. The SAM 4G module will snap into place. Loop a tie strap around the clip to secure the 4G SAM module to the clip. Pull the tie strap snug and trim the excess. On the sliding door frame, locate the SAM 3G module decal. Remove that decal. Note, some units may not have the decal installed on the door jamb. Install the new decal with the SAM 4G module information onto the door jamb. Collect all used SAM 3G modules and return back to Autocar using the contact information here. The process is complete and the truck may be operated normally. It may take a day of operations for the new module to self-update with the latest software version and for the truck's operations information to appear on your Autocar Advanced Telematics system. If you have any questions about the system itself, send an email to telematics@autocartruck.com and we'll be happy to help.